about the ABCs. Yeah, let's try ABCs. Okay, ready? Okay, let's go. Wait. How about a game? Let's say animals and ABCs. Okay, you ready? Okay, girls. A is for what? Alligator. Yay! B is for baboon. C is for cat. D is for what is D for? Dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. Yeah, you're right. G is for giraffe. But there, whoa! What comes after G? H. H is for what animal start for H? Hermit crab. Hermit crab start for H. H. I. I is for iguana. J. Let's see. Right. J start with a jumping spider. Oh, I don't like noise. Here, J. K. K is for kangaroo. L. L is for what's L for? Let's see. Lizard. M is for mouse or moose. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for platypus. Q is for quail. R is for rattlesnake. S is for seagull. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. What's W for? W is for whale. Whale. X is for X-fish. Y, let's see. Y can be for yak. Till we come back no more. Last one is Z. What's Z for? Zebra! Yay! That was fun. You know this, you guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.